So what's good, guys? So have you been struggling as a forex trader? Have you been closing a month in profit and another month in losses? Have you, or week, some week will be good for you, another week will be a week you blow your account, or you have just been going up and down your trading journey and you feel like, oh, maybe this is not just the right way for me. So guys, if you are someone like this, that you have been going up and down, so I have something to tell you guys. So I'm running a mentorship, a risk management and psychology mentorship, just to help forex trader to manage their risk, how to manage their risk, how I became profitable, not with strategy mainly, but with risk management and with good trading psychology. Now with all this, if you have all this, it's going to make your trading journey more straightforward and more smooth. So you have to add all this to your trading journey. So risk management is one thing that you all need: risk management and good trading psychology. So this is what I'm offering in my mentorship, apart from forex strategy, guys. So you can use the link in the description to contact me on Telegram, just to know how it works, guys. So if you do that, guys, if you are not profitable, guys, you must be profitable. Do you understand? So it is normal to close some months in profit and some months in losses. It is normal, but if you add all this to your trading journey, at the end of the day, you become profitable and you'll be consistently profitable, and that is the goal. So guys, enough of the talk. So in this video, now someone commented on one of my last video talking about I should talk about inducement and liquidity. This is what I'll be talking about in this video: how to trade liquidity and how to identify inducement. So I'll be explaining how to do that. So if you are watching this video for the first time, I'm T10FX, and I basically teach strategy on how to become profitable in this forex industry. So do well to click the subscribe button, turn on the push notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop new content like this. So ensure you do that for me and comment down below. So if you want to learn how I trade, you want to enroll in the risk management and psychology mentorship, use the link in the description. So let's get on with the video. Let me teach you inducement and liquidity. Let's go. So what's good, guys? So I'm back again. So do well to subscribe to this channel if you are still watching, and if you want to use the recommended broker I use, I've been using it for over 4 years now. Check the link in the description. You can register with Deriv. Deriv is a good broker I use. I've been using them for quite a number of years. So now, talking about inducement and liquidity, now, we have different kind of liquidity. Do you understand? So I've draw some things out just to show you guys. Now you can see in this drawing, price broke structure right here, moved to the upside, then price came back here, creating like a swing low. Then we know price have been bullish, and what do you expect is for price to create another higher high to break this structure. Now in this case, price moved up a bit, then came back down to tap our other block, then moved to the upside. Now in this case, this swing low liquidity, it is an inducement. Now inducement means when the market makers, they trick people into executing a trade even when the trade will not go in their intended direction. You understand? The trade is supposed to go up, and you know, okay, this trade is supposed to buy, but they will trick you to enter too early. Now for early buyers, you'll probably see an opportunity to enter the trade right here. You put your stop loss just below here and expecting price to sweep the high. Now what will price do? Price will now take out this liquidity, take out your stop loss, tap into this our point of interest, then move up. Now in this case, you became a liquidity. Price liquidated you, took out your stop loss, and everybody buying at that point, then went down to our other block before moving to the upside. So that is just inducement. Inducement is just like a trick. It's just like, and it is everywhere. So if you are trading other block, if you can be adding this concept of inducement and liquidity, know when it's an inducement, know when is the right place to take your trade. Though at times you always make a mistake, it is normal.
you will also take in inducement, but the more you reduce this, the more it will help your trading journey. So this is called a swing low liquidity, when price form a lower low before going up. The other side is a swing low liquidity. So now this is another form of liquidity, which is a trend line liquidity, when price broke structure to the upside, and after breaking structure we are expecting price to tap into our POI. Price started forming like something like a trend line, you can see. And trend line traders will be like, okay, we have our first touch, we have our second touch, we are going to be going long right here. So once they enter for their long, their stop loss will be here. So expecting price to move up. Now what price will do is price will now come move a bit up, then come back to sweep out their stop loss, tap into our POI, then go to the intended direction. That is trend line liquidity. It is also an inducement, because for trend line traders this is a good trend line to enter for a buy, but price will trick them, then take their stop loss before moving to the upward direction. It is good to follow the big boys, the big banks, the people trading with large funds. It's better to follow them. So trading with trend line is also good. It has its own advantage, but in this case I'm teaching you about inducement and liquidity. So in this case it serves as liquidity, and if you see things like this, it makes your zone more valid. It makes your zone more valid. Now I have a free Telegram community where you can join, where I drop signals, and at times, not always, all the time, where you can just learn a lot from it. So use the link in the description to join. So lastly, let me just show you this. This is a double bottom liquidity. Now what in this case, price took out broke structure to the upside. After breaking structure to the upside, gave us a double bottom right here. This is the first bottom, then gave us the second bottom. Now for chart pattern traders will be like, oh, this is a double bottom, this is just the best time to enter for your long. Now I'm using long buying in this case because I just want to do it like this. This same thing is for selling. If you flip it upside down, you see the same thing. Their stop loss will just be below here, and they'll be targeting this high. Now what will price now do? Price will now after moving a bit, price will now come back to take their stop loss, tap into our POI, then go to our intended direction. This is a double bottom liquidity. You see these things I'm telling you here, a lot of traders will not teach you, and this is what I'm teaching you. This is what you learn when you come under my mentorship. Do you understand? So now let me just show you a trade example. Let me just show you a simple trade example. I don't want this video to be too long. I think I marked out one already, so let me zoom out for you to see. So what did you notice here? Price first took out this liquidity. Price swept this liquidity. You see in this case I'm using a selling scenario. Price swept this liquidity with this candle, then push back down, then broke structure. Price broke structure around there. Price broke structure to the downside. After taking the liquidity, price broke structure. After price broke structure, you can see price now did something like price now pushed up back here, coming close to our POI, to our order block. Now what we people do, especially early sellers, or even some people will have said their limit order, or they will be like, I don't want to miss out on this trade, price might not move. They will now end up entering for a sell right here. After they enter for their sell right here, they might be putting their stop loss just here. You can see price will now come back to take out their stop loss, which has now served as inducement. You can see people will want to quickly enter here to take this sell, but price now end up taking it as an inducement, then sell down to take profit. So this is how you basically understand inducement and liquidity. Liquidity help your order block to be more profitable and more accurate. So if you can add this to your trading, it's going to go a long way. So once again, if you watch this far, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your push notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop new content like this. Now I said if you want to use my recommended broker, I use Deriv. You can create an account with Deriv. The link will be in the description below. And if you want to learn more about your psychology and your risk management, use the link below to DM, and let's get on with it. So I'll catch you guys in my next video, guys.